to write.
All right. So, I have no children, and I'm so happy to be childless by choice. Woo! Yeah, Ellen, I see you back there, girl. Well, my brother has 4, and that is enough for the whole family, okay? It's good to have an aunt with spare cash and spare time. But if you ever loved a kid going through stuff, it can be a challenge, whether they are yours or not. So this is a challenging song I wrote about a little girl I know. It's called Broken Bird. She went away, left you alone. She put an end to your happy home. And now you're wondering what the new day brings. 'Cause you can't fly broken wings. You had no choice, nothing you could do. An unspoken voice can't tell what's true. I know you suffered, you don't have to say a word. Let me help you, my broken bird. My broken bird, with broken wings, a shattered voice you cannot sing. My broken bird, let the love come in. That love can heal you, so you can fly again. So you can fly again. I loved you so, but it wasn't enough. Couldn't replace your mother's love. Still I keep on here, catch it when you fall. My broken bird, so young and small. What will it take for you to see all the love around you? You hold the key, for love can mend your broken wings. Hear your broken voice that never sings. My broken bird, with broken wings, a shattered voice you cannot sing. My broken bird, let the love come in. That love can heal you, so you can fly again. So you can fly again. Sweet broken bird, you have a choice to fight the darkness, to find your voice. My broken bird, it's gonna take some time to gain your strength so you can climb. Once you get stronger, you're gonna fly away. Somehow I know you'll come back one day. Sweet broken bird, it's always gonna be true. The love you give, come back to you. The love you give, come back to you. The love you give, come back to you. Thanks so much.